So if you're buying a new seatbelt, your seatbelt was blown, the original one, take this module off your original one and switch it over with the new seatbelt, because this module is actually programmed to your car. That way you could try to avoid getting some of the codes. The airbag code is on the yellow wires, so once you replace with a good seatbelt, they'll go away if you clear them. But this is the program part to your car, to the VIN number. So you slide this on. It should lock in right here. There you go. So it locks in right there. And then put the two Twerks back in. Twerks right here and one right here.